our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one.
Adam from Airmax OC has come out to our coffee shop in Newport Beach on several occasions to service and repair our commercial fridges. He always responds quickly and gets to us fast in emergency situations. He is very friendly, very thorough, and we'd recommend him to anyone.
And we're confident you'll appreciate our unmatched quality and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our biggest priority, and we'll work very hard to get it. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.